I tell all my new employees, don't be afraid to speak your mind, okay? I want you to speak your mind. Don't be afraid to make extreme predictions. We can always pare those predictions back. Don't be scared to, put your ass on the line, put your brain on the line, okay? Nothing, in my opinion, extraordinary comes from mediocrity, okay? I want all-stars, I want superstar thinkers. I want, people really thinking unconventionally. And, a very good example of that is when we started to recommend cannabis stocks. Nobody was recommending cannabis stocks, nobody. Nobody even thought you could invest in cannabis. But we were one of the first ones to actually recommend cannabis as an investment vehicle, and it paid off in spades. It took a while, but it paid off in spades. The best batters fail most of the time, right? So out of every 10 at-bats, a Major League Baseball player gets 3 hits out of every 10 at-bats. He's an all-star, but he's failing 70% of the time, okay? That's okay with us, even in the investment world. I would like to reverse it a little bit. Maybe we can be wrong 30% of the time and 70% correct. And that's usually kind of the ratio with us. To give you a real example right now, and I don't know if the prediction is going to be wrong, okay? But we just made some recommendations in the, let's just call it the fake meat industry, where they're growing meat in the lab. There's only a couple companies that are publicly traded that are actually developing this technology, developing meat in the lab. And we made some recommendations, about 9 months ago, and I actually personally bought the stocks myself. I'm down on the stock 50%. Nobody likes to lose money, but who knows what's going to happen 2 or 3 years from now. And that's where we have to take a longer term perspective. Sometimes these trends that we catch, that we look at, that we think they're going to be big trends, sometimes those trends take a while to materialize. The internet was around for a long time before it really took off, but now we can't live without it.